Maintain temperature just above the melting point. Once fully melted, skim off any flux slag or oxidized impurities from the top with heat-resistant tongs. Allow it to cool completely before handling. Safety notes: use proper ventilation as gold releases fumes when melted. Wear heat-resistant gloves and eye protection. Have a fire extinguisher suitable for metal fires nearby. Hey there! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press share to spread the love, hit that like button to let us know, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. And while you're at it, why not check out our other videos too? Thanks for your support,